Hi guys, welcome back to a new video tutorial in Next.js. In this video, I will try to explain you how routing works in Next.js and also how to create different pages as well. And this will be a very quick tutorial. So without further ado, let's now get started. Alright guys, so in the last video I show you how to install this Next.js application and how to run it as well, and I also show you the structure of folder in Next.js. So right now this is what we got so far. Let me just show you on the website here. You can see there's a text saying welcome to Next.js tutorial, and right now what I'm going to do next is to basically introduce you to routing and also the build or try to create a new routes or the new page in Next.js. So right here you can see there's a folder called pages. So we have the index.js created by default. Now what I'm going to do is to create a new file called about.js under this pages folder. So before getting into writing the code, I just want to quickly show you this extension. It's called ES7 React Redux GraphQL React Native Snippets. So once you have this installed, let's just scroll down quickly what we are going to do with this. So right now, let me just quickly look for the one that create the functional component, right? Okay, so right here, this is the one that I'm looking for, RAFCE, which it will try to create this boilerplate. So now let's just try to use this code right here. So in the about.js, I just type RAFCE and then I press on the tab key. So here you can see it will create this boilerplate for me with the functional component right here. And this is actually not required, just get rid of this one. So right here inside this div tag, I can just use h1. So I just give this a name, probably just saying like, yep, just like that, about page. Or maybe you can add more text here as well. So I say, hello there. And then save it. So once this is saved, let's just go back to the website. So right here, I can just type /about. And here you guys can see that it is very simple to create a new route inside the Next.js. And comparing between this one to React, you will need to try to install an external library called React Router DOM. But within this Next.js, you can simply try to create a new file inside this pages folder, and it will automatically try to create the route for you. So let me just also try to create a new folder. What about, like, say if I create a new folder inside this pages. So right here inside the pages, I want to create a subfolder. In this case, I'm going to say like pets. So inside here, it can be anything. So let's say I want to have, like, say dog.js or maybe cat.js, right? So let me try to create a new file inside this one as well. Let's say like that, and use that shortcut again, RAFCE. Create a boilerplate with this. I can just say h1 tag with the dog page, and the same will be for the RAFCE, and this is for cat, right? So this one will be the cat. Just like that. And let's take a look on the browser. So what if I want to access that? I can just simply call that folder name, which is pets cat, right? So when I access this path here, you can see that I will be inside these pages, and also the same for the dog path or the directory, or the right here, this is the routes. Here you can see we have the doc page. So this is very simple in terms of creating like new pages, as it automatically trying to link and everything for us. Okay, so that's the use of the pages. Okay, so next I want to quickly show you the documentations on routing. So here, this is the routing on Next.js official website. Now let me just try to scroll down, and here you can see this is linking between pages where we can try to import link coming from the Next/link, and then we can try to implement this like linking to the about page and stuff, and this is linking to the dynamic path. So now let me just try to import this and quickly show you how this one works as well. Okay, so just copy this link right here, and inside the index.js I will just pass it here. Now let's just go back quickly because right now we have the about page as well, so that's fine. I can just copy all of this. They are using the unordered list, and also the if you learn the HTML, you would already know what it is. So now let me just paste everything here. Right here we don't have this, but instead of log we have the paths, we have the doc and also cats, but for this tutorial just use these docs. And now for this one right here, I can simply say doc page like so, and everything seems fine. Let's just save that, and let's see in the browser. Okay, so here it is. It now refreshing, and here you guys can see we have the link to basically this is the home page. We have the about page as well. Right here you can see it will just link to here. And for the doc page, this is inside the subfolder, the subdirectory in the path/docs, and we can also have access to this. And it is very simple, like I said again. In React, we need to try to produce like the route, the switch, and everything, and require more codes to write. But for this, it is very simple, as it already have this built-in Next/link where we can just trying to import and quickly write it like so. And I think that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. If you have any question about the routings in Next.js, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to leave a like in this video as well. And see you guys in the next video.